Do you want to see reposted videos on TikTok? You can check your reposts on TikTok with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To see reposted videos on TikTok, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now, you are on your profile. Here, you will see your recent TikTok videos. Below your TikTok profile and bio, find and select the Repost tab. Here, you will find all the videos you have reposted on TikTok. You can scroll through the list to view or manage your reposts. You can also remove a repost if you want.